Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we are going to install all four of these, put them on the wall, and we're going to make a video wall. We already have power up there, and these are non-smart TVs made by Insignia. And we bought the Fire Stick, 4K Fire Sticks, because they're RF, so you could use one for each individual TV. And then over here, we got the video wall switch. The video wall switch we got right here. This one's about $300 to $400, this one here. So you could watch one whole picture, or you could just watch individual different games on each one of those TVs. Okay, now we got the two here installed. Gotta hang up two up there.
Yeah, this is gonna be the part that's gonna be on top.
Okay, now we're starting on the top here. And this is an outside wall, so we are using tack-ons. So on the video wall switch, all four Fire Sticks have to go into where they say 1 through 4, which are right here. And then out here, 1 through 4, will go out to the TVs we'll be using 10-foot HDMI cords. Okay, we got 3 up. And we use the longer brackets just so it's easier when we do hang them. We could actually slide them so they just hit each other. Also, we could get our hands in there and install those HDMIs. Okay, we got them all set up here. We got all the wires coming from the top up here. We got the switch on, and we're gonna set up each one with each Fire Stick here.
Daylight saving off mountain.
But it was a perfect fit.
Eastern.
And these are 40-inch Insignia TVs. They're not smart TVs. We didn't need them to be smart TVs because we're using the Fire Sticks. The reason why we're using the Fire Sticks because they're RF, and you can control each one individually without messing the other one up or changing information on one or the other.
Mountain, eastern.
Okay, we finalized the video wall here, and we got the matrix switch in, and we also have the repeater up there, so we hid the switch in there. So now we got one whole full picture in, and it's simple to use. All we have to do is hit the remote on fun, switch it down, and we'll get 4 individual pictures. We could watch 4 different sport games or movies or whatever. But yeah, there it is. It's your video wall. By the way, these are 40-inch TVs. They're not smart TVs. We did use the 4K sticks. Again, we did that because they're going into the switch and they're RF, so they work way better that way. Thanks for viewing, and this is the setup in here. It's a nice little man cave.
Come on, send it to him. Take your video after we clean it over.
And this is where we're gonna hang the 85-inch. And we got 2 65s, one there, and one going down there.